success is good to celebrate. I get excited. But put in your mind that before you celebrate that success, I get excited, you need to follow what a journey. Because success is a journey. And during the journey, make sure that you have what? All the mindset that is needed to follow it. When you enter inside the tree, because success is like a tree. You are inside the tree. The train is going. Le train s'en va. I get sure. Toi, tu es à l'extérieur du train. Tu sais que le train qui s'en va, c'est le train du succès. Quelle est la première chose qui vient dans ta tête? What is the first thing that comes in your mind? J'entre dans le train qui s'en va vers le succès. Et une fois que tu es dans le train, put in your mind that during that journey towards success, you must make what? Up and down. That up and down is what we call in the system the negative. And at that moment, don't try to see the behind. Ne regarde pas le derrière, mais regarde le devant. Le succès, c'est devant. No matter that tough time, I get excited. Some of you try to do what? To leave the train. I get sure, no matter that tough time, go ahead. Be in. Manager Adrienne follow. She was in. She persevered. Manager Robert chose. That's my mentor. I get excited. Teach us 3 things about success. That's first, endurance. I get sure, perseverance. I get excited. And what? Consistency. And my colleague that is here, manager Adrienne, I get sure she was in. She persevered. She endured. Just and today, I get excited. She's a manager of Consamba. A big of this to her. And today she's a manager. I get sure. And she needs to go and give what? The same opportunity that was given to her just to those children. I get excited. And when I saw these children, just quand je regarde ces enfants, je fais un flashback. I get sure when I leave Douala just to Parliamentary Manager Robert, have faith towards success. Don't doubt, because doubt is a beginning of failure. I get excited. No matter what, have faith in you. Have faith in what you are doing. Don't doubt. Just when I was standing here with Manager Robert, standing there like Manager Adrienne, I get sure I put in my mind that since that's Manager Robert, that's already a full owner. Me, I'm the children with who he's going. I said tomorrow, one day, I will take this position. I have that faith. I enter inside the tree and I follow the journey. How about you today? I get sure, how about you today? And I have 3 things in my mind. During who? My leader. That's what? Obedience. Discipline. That's what he taught us. When we arrived in Bamenda, he put the rule and regulation for us and we understood. Je n'ai jamais regardé les injures. I get sure, le fait que Manager me connaît, I get excited, il me punissait. Je n'ai jamais regardé ça comme un négatif qui peut me faire aller hors du train. Mais j'ai regardé l'intention. How about you today? How about you tomorrow? Ne regarde jamais le fait que Manager Adrienne te gronde, mais regarde l'intention. Look at the intention and follow. Discipline, respect, and what? Faith. Faith in her, faith in what you are doing, faith in you. Like we are here today just to celebrate her success. I get excited. I'm sure that tomorrow we have to go to Consamba to celebrate the success of one of those people. Have that faith. Follow the instruction that she will give it to you. Put in your mind that you will mess with the up and down. At times, people like to understand that success is not all about good things. Success, you have what? Up and down. But at that moment, when you are close to the up and down, just never see the present situation. I get excited. But look far. Look your dream. Look your vision. I get excited. Ne regarde pas la situation présente quand tu es sur le terrain du piche. Ne regarde pas ceux qui t'injurent. Ne regarde pas ceux qui minimisent ce que tu fais. I get sure, mais regarde ta vision. I get excited. I get motivated. And I'm sure, I'm very sure. I get excited. I'm very sure and have that self-confidence that tomorrow, we will come in Consamba to celebrate their success. I get excited. I get motivated. C'est le challenge que vous devez avoir dans votre tête. Travaillez ensemble. L'union fait la force. Have faith in your leader. And everything should be fine. I get excited. I get motivated. Again, congratulations, madam.
Vraiment, je rends d'abord grâce à Dieu. Pourquoi je dis rendre grâce à Dieu? Parce que à la CSME, si tu ne connais pas réellement Dieu, tu vas connaître Dieu. Et quand je regarde la manageresse, elle est placée avec ses 3 enfants à Jos. Je regarde les enfants, je fais un flashback. Ce n'est pas tout le monde qui va comprendre ce que tu vas lui dire là. À Jos, il faut être patient. Il faut être patient, il faut répéter encore à Jos. Oui, quant aux enfants, soyez obéissants à Jos. Oui, quand ça ne va pas, va vers ton manager, demande à Jos. Oui, va vers ton manager, demande toujours. Même si ton manager est en train de dormir, tout simplement. Même si je suis en train de me reposer, tout simplement. Puis une fois que tu ne fais que toquer, elle va se réveiller. Je t'écoute maintenant. À Jos? Oui, parce que ton succès, c'est quand tu ne connais pas Dieu. Tu penses que tu es en train de connaître Dieu, mais tu n'es pas en train de connaître Dieu. À Jos? Connais plus durement. Exact. Motivé. Je sais, oui, vous êtes sur le terrain. Maintenant, ce qu'on va regarder pour vous, comme ça va, on va regarder le travail que vous êtes en train d'abattre. À Jos? Oui. Le travail que vous êtes en train d'abattre, mais soyez patient. À Jos, ce n'est pas difficile, mais c'est facile. À Jos, tout dépend de ton état d'esprit. Exact. Je sais, tout dépend de ton état d'esprit. Mais tu ne dois pas oublier une seule chose, c'est la prière. Oui, c'est la prière. Chaque jour, avant de faire quelque chose, prends d'abord 2 minutes ou bien 3 minutes et prie. À Jos, recommande tout ce que tu veux faire à Dieu. À Jos, recommande tout ce que tu veux faire à Dieu. Et aussi la manageresse, prends qualité de temps et puis aussi pour tes enfants. Ce que tu veux, tu auras ça. À Jos, ce que vous voulez, vous aurez ça. À Jos.
I'm so happy to be part of this ceremony once more. When I look at Manager Adrienne and I look at her children, I think of my own day, if I'm not mistaken, 6 months ago. One thing I want to say, I'll start by telling the children, I want you to be submissive. You know, when they talk of submission, are you guys excited? Yeah. It means you are under something. You are going together with your manager. It means that you are under her. And the fact that she knows you depend on her, she will not let you down. You need to be natural. You need to show your weaknesses and you need to show your strength. You see, don't try to be like, pretend to be someone you are not. She will not help you. You need to submit to her. You need to be natural. When you make mistakes and she comes to you, she tells you, you're not supposed to do this, you're supposed to do this. Don't take it negatively. If she is correcting you, it's because she loves you. There was a time the founder, Manager Womo, he always said, there is joy when you contribute to the success of someone. I wasn't understanding. Are you guys excited? Yeah. There is no parent who would like to see the son or the daughter failing in life. Do you see? Because that child reflects the training, the teachings of the parent. And so when the parent comes to you and the parent corrects you, no matter the way, the approach of the parent, it's because the parent has good intentions towards you. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Are you motivated? Yeah. So if you are taking your mother like someone who doesn't love you, it means you'll be the first failure to your success. Are you guys excited? Yeah. In my dictionary, failure doesn't exist. Do you see? Because failure is a step towards success. You know, we are here in this hotel. Do you see? There is no way we can get up there if we don't go through these steps. Are you guys excited? Yeah. There are stages in life. Do you see? everybody will have the strength to go through this test at the same rate. Are you guys excited? Yeah. So one thing is, what I want to tell the children is this: you need to believe in yourself. Don't look at your colleague. Why is this one doing like this? Why is this one doing like that? Are you guys excited? Are you motivated? Each and every one of you will have your talent. Your fingerprints will never be the same. You see, you have your different times of success. Are you guys excited? Just believe in your manager and be submissive. Unless a seed touches the ground, it will never germinate. Are you guys excited? Are you motivated? Are you see? And to Manager Adrienne, I remember there was a time when we went down to the field, we were pitching, and it started raining. You see? So we had to go and hide somewhere. You see? So when I think of those days, I say, CSME is real. The opportunity is real. For those that are still dreaming, are you guys excited? There is no reason for failure in life. If you fail, it means you are lazy. Are you guys excited? Because nature, everything nature permits to come to you, it's equal to you. So don't say, I have problems. You don't have problems more than any other person. So one thing I want to tell the team, if God could bring you through the different challenges up to this stage, I'm sure He will not let you down. One thing, you need to look up to Him. Okay? Jules, courage and congratulations.
Ce groupe, ça fait deux parties de mon discours. À tous, la première partie, c'est la maîtresse. À tous, je vois une femme, une dame qui n'est pas comme les autres dames. À tous, je vois une femme qui est capable de laisser son mari pour aller se former et réussir. Je sais, mais je vois une femme adulte qui est capable de traverser les obstacles. Je sais, je vois une femme qui est capable de transformer le négatif en positif. Et c'est ça qu'on voit aujourd'hui les positifs. Alors qu'on voyait quoi? Le négatif, la personne qui descend sur le terrain avec le produit pour dire tenez. Alors je sais, mais à ce moment-là, elle est allée vous détailler. Maintenant, ça sera comment? Alors je ne suis pas sûr que le cas choqué à la maîtresse, Asa et Lilian, mais c'était à gagner maintenant. Alors je sais, non, ça c'est un message. À tous, une femme qui se dit, il n'y a plus rien, sauf des... Je sais, deuxième équipe, à d'autres combien, deuxième partie de mon exposé, c'est Baby Sokama. C'est-à-dire les enfants, à d'autres qui s'en vont, qui étaient quoi? Le succès. Les enfants qui s'en vont, t'étais quoi? Le succès. À tous, devant, à tous, de la femme qui a réussi. Mais le conseil c'est quoi? À tous, pour bien t'aider, il ne faut avoir les dents tranchantes. Donc moi, donc tout, parce que tu as les dents tranchantes, tout risque de pas bien t'aider. Il y a des moments d'enfance. À tous, si tu veux bien t'aider, l'enfant était juste endormi, on ne le dit même pas. À tous, tu t'aides, mais sans toquer. Je sais, ça veut dire que si les gens ont de réussir, il faut être humble. À tous, il faut se rabaisser. Il faut te comporter comme un enfant. À tous, on peut aider l'enfant à marcher, mais on ne peut jamais marcher à la place de l'enfant. Avant que la mère commence à donner le bâton à l'enfant, c'est l'enfant le premier. La première personne, c'est de dire maman. C'est là où la mère peut même sortir une créativité que non, il faut même que je donne même le bâton à l'enfant pour que, et non seulement il doit faire le tête de l'oreille, il va maintenant faire un pas en avant. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Alors, vous savez que ces enfants qui vont démarrer, ils ne doivent pas être les gens là, tu dois t'asseoir pour bien te donner les connaissances. Tu dois chercher à faire quoi? À te déplacer même. Moi, quand la maîtresse, tu es jamais là. Comme elle a dit qu'on fasse quoi alors? Dans tout. Et il n'y a pas une formule standard dans le management. On va rassembler tout ce qu'on a appris à Bonavéry. On va rassembler tout ce qu'on a appris en combat. On commence dans un panier. Là où quand on teste le résultat, on change. Allez-moi je sais, quand on teste, si on a testé à Bumba, ça a marché, on teste à l'eau, on change pour que ça marche. Ok, je dois pas me mettre long à tous. Je tiens à féliciter la nouvelle manageresse avec la puissance de tout puissant. Je tiens, vous savez, on descend, on part démarrer. On va démarrer en consommant. Il faut que le contact des yeux double. À tous, il faut que le degré de sourire naturel double. Et le degré de poignée de main pour recevoir jusqu'à de consommant double. Ça ne doit pas être une poignée de main qu'on connaît, mais ça doit être ce genre de poignée de main. À tous,
and you, the children, what I will tell you people is discipline. Any good thing you want to have in life, you must be disciplined. If you are disciplined, you will get that good thing. For you, the children, you need to preserve your vision. Because you as the children, you are going. There is no glory without a process. You are going on a process. You follow a process because she also followed a process and she made it. And it is because she was submissive. She was disciplined. She listened to her mother. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Motivated?
Yeah.
When you want to preserve your job and you want to preserve this opportunity and really have it at the end, avoid external friends, relatives, the advice they will give you. You will go to Komsamba. You say in Komsamba, I don't have my mother, I don't have my father, I have no friends. But you will meet some long ago friends. And immediately you give attention to them, you talk with them, they are already a drop of immunity. Just as Manager Amabo said, be natural with your mother. If they tell you, outside, tell Ma, this is how they told me. This is what I am going through. Don't hide any secret. That is to preserve what? Your vision. And at the end, you will have it. As you follow the vision, you follow what she gives you advice, you will attain your objective with no stress. You have not gone there to make friends. You have not gone to visit people. Your friend is poster. Your friend is strap. Your friend is your mother. And if you are like that, you will find yourself that you will constantly it becomes a habit. And you find yourself, nothing will ever interest you except what? That vision until you have a goal. And now, for my colleague, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Motivated?
Yeah.
Yes. You will get to know them more better and better. And make them your friend. Talk to them. And now, your plan of action. follow your plan of action. And each time you find yourself in a situation that is difficult, make a flashback. My mother, my mentor, what was she telling me? During those difficult periods, what was she telling me? And when you think about that, you have that courage and you move forward to an excellent and wonderful success.